Alright guys, I wanted to show you your camera and how your camera works and what it is. Some of you may have noticed that there's this box in the sky right here where my cursor is, and that is your camera view, okay? When you're over here, there's a panel with the camera here that gives you the dimensions of the view. Just to do the 16:9 ratio, HGT 720. I select that. That's not the default. I forgot what one it is, but it's the 12. You'll get the 1280 by 720, which we're used to working at. It tells you what percentage of that is the actual view, and it's going to take up 100% of the 1280 by 720. Okay. Number of frames. Let's bump that down because we're not doing animation. We're just gonna 24. It's set to 24 frames per second, and the rest of it's fine. Okay, so if I right click on this with my cursor, you can actually move your camera, and basically whichever way it's pointing, it's gonna give you the view of it when it renders. I'm gonna hit the letter G, and you can free move your camera just like you would if you were using the Blender block. Okay, and if I clicked on that and hit G. Next we want to say, well, how do I know what the 1280 by 720? Because the whole screen is bigger than that. You know, it's a percentage of that screen. So we go to View, and what I do is Align View, and align active camera to view. So if you want to feel more like you're working in what you see, the viewport, click that, and you'll get this bounding box, and you can see, oh, there's my camera. That's how my camera views things. So if I, and if I want to zoom in and you want to realign that camera, you just go to View, Align, and Align Camera to View. So if you need to zoom in and out, okay? So if I right click on that, I can move that within my viewport, and that's going to let me know where things are within the actual screen. So hit return here. So you can see this is the space it's taking up. That's my actual camera view. So, all right. So that's how you use the camera.